Welcome back friends to another video by Smartest Blogger, and in this video I am going to tell you how to add different types of fonts in your HTML language or in your web page. So let's get started. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications time to time. So let's get started. Till our previous video, we have created a web page like this, and in this video, we are going to add different types of fonts to this heading tag and to this paragraph text. So let's get started. So here I will open my VS Code, and you will be also get the code like this till you watch the last video. If you not watch these all videos, then link is in the description box. You can watch it all. So for adding the font family for the Smartest Blogger heading tag, you want to create a inline CSS. So add some space in the opening tag and type style. After typing the style, you will get here some of the options. So we have to type font family. After typing here font family, you can get many more options. So here I will choose Arial and I will add some color. I will give color as blue violet. I will save the code. By after refreshing the page, you can here see the font has been changed. So we will do step by step. Our next paragraph is this. So create some space in the opening tag and write style attribute. After writing, hit the enter button and here you can get the list. So from that list, you want to select the font family. After selecting font family, I will choose the different font. I will give color brown. I will save it. So here you can see the font has been changed. So we will do this step by step. You can add whatever font to your. So here I will add font Franklin and I will give it color as blue and I will save this code. So here you can see the font has been changed. I will similarly do it for the heading tag. Font family and choose the font whichever you want and save it. So friends, if you love this trick, then like this video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications time to time. So thank you for watching this whole video. Bye. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.